Hello mga loves! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and to those new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. So today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol pa rin sa skin perfection. Pero may bago tayong product. Ayan! Ito yung ating glowing set ng skin perfection. Ayan. So, share ko sa inyo, I've been using this one for more than a week already, and I've seen a lot of results. And, syempre, pag may bago or may na-discover tayo dito sa ating channel, share ko talaga kaagad sa inyo. And, hindi ko lang na ibigay sa inyo kaagad yung ating details dito kasi nagkasakit ako. So, this is the best time na pag-usapan natin ang tungkol sa ating glowing set ng ating skin perfection. So, thank you so much to those who have subscribed to our channel and nakapanood din sa ating mga previous videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I hope you support me sa ating channel. And please don't forget to like the video if you like it, and leave your comments down below. Okay, so if you have any questions, I will see to it na I will be able to answer right away. Okay, so eto, share ko lang sa inyo muna. Iunahin natin yung box. Okay, so ayan, ito yung ating skin perfection glowing set. And dito sa side, meron tayong indication and then the claims and precautions. Okay, so para kanino or kung sino lang yung pwedeng gumamit ng ating skin perfection na glowing set. And this one is dermatologist tested. Okay? So, ayan. So, dito naman sa side, meron tayong mga disclaimer and then yung mga awards na natanggap ng Skin Perfection Company. Alright. So, bubuksan na natin ang box. So, unlike sa rejuvenating set, ito naka-plastic na siya and then black yung ating ribbon dito. Sa glowing set, pink naman. Okay. So, I think they have the same ribbon naman. So, naka-black lang ito. Okay, so bubuksan na natin. So, tan-tadadang, paano yung mauuna nating maunot? Alright, anyway, so ito yung Skin Perfection na glowing toner. Okay, sa glowing toner, may difference siya sa glowing, sa toner ng ating rejuvenating set. Sa rejuvenating set, yellowish yung kanyang laman, yung kanyang liquid. Unlike dito sa ating glowing toner, pinkish yung kanyang laman. So, okay, para makita nyo lang, okay, this one, alright, ano tayo ng sample. I don't know if you can see it on screen, but it's very, it's very light pink. Ayan, ito yung kanyang kulay. So, hindi siya masyadong, actually, mabango siya. Mild lang yung kanyang scent, and I'm sure na hindi siya irritating sa skin because na-try ko na. Okay, so, ito ay parang maintenance after we use the rejuvenating set. Okay, so, ito naman yung toner ng ating rejuvenating set. It's yellowish inside. Okay, so, kukuha tayo ng cotton para makita nyo ang difference. Ayan. So, ito naman ay, yung kanyang kulay ay yellowish. Ayan. Okay? So, medyo matapang konti ang sa rejuvenating set na toner. Ito yung comparison ng ating mga toner sa glowing set and the rejuvenating set. Okay, so pupunta naman tayo sa mga creams. So, unahin natin ang night cream. So, ang night cream ng ating rejuvenating set ay, ayan, let me see, puti siya. So, sometimes yellowish din siya. Okay, pero sa ating glowing night cream, ito yung kulay niya. Okay, so I think this one is different from the rejuvenating cream. Okay, kasi iba yung kanyang amoy and iba din yung consistency ng kanyang cream. Okay, so this is safe to use for maintenance ng ating skin after we use the rejuvenating set. Kasi yung sa rejuvenating set, magpipil tayo dun eh. So, dito naman sa glowing set, it would just maintain kung ano yung meron sa skin natin and prevents the melasma and the pimples from coming back. Kumbaga, ipiprevent niya lang. But of course, may time talaga na we have to go back to the rejuvenating set. Okay, so yung glowing set, habang i-maintain niya lang yung glow ng skin natin. Okay, from the word glowing set. Okay, so ayan. And, alright, so bubuksan na natin ang sunblock. Alright, so nagamit ko na to, it's more than a week na. And, bawas na. Ayan. And, the same lang sila noong ating rejuvenating set ko. Ano yung laman ng rejuvenating set? It's the same with the glowing set ng Skin Perfection. So, i-compare ko lang yung BB cream ng ating rejuvenating set and glowing set. Medyo sticky and mas makapal yung kanyang parang pagka BB cream. You know what I mean? Yung paglagay mo medyo para siyang foundation type yung kanyang yung kanyang formulation. Ayan. So, I don't know, maybe because yung stock niya ay medyo mas matagal na sa shelf or whatever. So, pero sa tingin ko, they're the same with the rejuvenating set. Okay? So, and the last product, ayan, Kojic soap pa rin. And it's the same with the rejuvenating set. Alright, so, this is all. Okay, ito lang yung kanyang mga products. Is the same with the rejuvenating set. Apat pa rin. They have the sunblock, the soap, and the toner. So, ang difference lang sa kanila ay yung night cream, syempre iba yung kanyang formulation, and the toner. But with the soap and the BB cream, pareho lang sila with the rejuvenating set. So, if you have any questions, if you want me to discuss any other products, please feel free to comment down below sa comment section natin. And thank you so much for all your support. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe. To those who have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe para every time na mag-upload ako ng new videos ay mano-notify kayo agad. Okay, so please do not forget to click the all ng ating subscription para lahat ng videos ay hindi nyo mamimiss. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching and stay safe and stay beautiful. God loves you. Bye!